SAP BI/BW is like your all-seeing data wizard. It helps you access, analyze, and report on data to make smart decisions. Today, we'll talk about its purpose, benefits, and why every organization craves it. Stick around. You'll soon see why SAP BI/BW is your business's secret weapon. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's take a quick tour of SAP BI's architecture. It's like a layered cake, with each layer, from ETL processes to storage, contributing to a data feast. And don't forget the icing, the tools that deliver insights. Warning: this architecture might leave you hungry for data knowledge. InfoObjects are the building blocks of SAP BI. Think of them as Lego pieces for data. InfoAreas and catalogs help organize these pieces into meaningful structures. Don't worry, you won't need a helmet or a flashlight to explore this data jungle. Characteristics give InfoObjects their personality. Imagine them as the quirky traits of your dataset. We'll create characteristic InfoObjects, discuss examples, and see why they are indispensable in data management. Fun fact: even data has characteristics. Who knew? Key figures are the stars of the analytics show. They're measurable and pack a punch. Today, we'll create these InfoObjects and chat about their importance. Spoiler: they might just be your new best friends for reporting. Data acquisition is like collecting raw ingredients for a recipe. Only here, the dish is data insights. We'll explore the sources, the ETL magic, and how to handle challenges. Ready to cook up some knowledge? DSOs are the storage wizards of SAP BI. They safely stash your data, ready for action. We'll talk about their definition, purpose, types, and real-world applications. DSO: your data's home away from home. Not all DSOs wear the same hat. Standard, write optimized, direct update DSOs each have a unique style. We'll compare and decide which DSO fits your data's personality best. Don't worry, there's no wrong choice. Info sets are your backstage pass to combining datasets. They're like matchmakers for data, bringing pieces together for analysis. Let's discuss what they are and how they make SAP BI even more awesome. An InfoCube is a data storage superhero, structured, multidimensional, and ready for action. Today, we'll define, create, and appreciate its components. By the end, you'll be Team InfoCube for life. Master data loading is all about precision. First, prepare flat files with accurate data. Sloppy inputs mean sloppy outputs. Next, define your data source and format clearly. Consistency is key here. Field mapping is like matching socks. Pair correctly to avoid chaos. Finally, validate before loading. It's your last defense against errors. Done right, this sets up a solid foundation for the rest of the process. Loading transaction data feels like herding cats, but it's manageable. Start by gathering data in the right format. It's like a recipe ingredient list. Quality is crucial. Bad data equals bad results. Use robust ETL tools to load data efficiently. Think of these tools as the unsung heroes of data processing. Finally, double-check with validations. Always good to trust but verify. Working with ECC and RSA-5 is like taming a wild beast. Challenging but rewarding. Start by accessing RSA-5 for your data extraction needs. Then, activate the data sources you'll need. This step is like opening the gates. Next, map the fields to ensure your data knows where it's headed. Finally, monitor your extraction because surprises are best left for birthday parties, not data processes. Star schemas are the celebrities of data modeling. Bright and central. Start with basics. Understand how fact and dimension tables play their roles. Fact tables hold the action, while dimensions give context. It's like the plot and the setting of a story. Extended schemas. They're like the director's cut. More details for better understanding. And don't forget optimization. It's like giving your schema a fitness regimen. Process chains are like a choreographed dance, each step in sync. Start by defining the steps. It's like planning your dance routine. Then, create and configure the chain. Think of it as rehearsing until perfect. Activate it to bring the performance live. But don't forget to monitor. It's like having a stage manager keeping an eye on everything. Using SAP BEX Query Designer is like being a detective. Every element uncovers another clue. Open the designer. It's your magnifying glass. Define key elements, dimensions, measures. It's like narrowing your suspects. Customize with filters and variables to get your aha moment. Then validate and execute your query. It's time to solve the mystery. Let's wrap it all up neatly. We've covered the essentials of loading master and transaction data. Think of them as laying the foundation. SAP RSA 5 and schemas were the stars of the show. They keep the data organized and accessible. Process chains and query designs added the structure and logic to the system. Remember, validation and monitoring are like the icing on the cake. Always double check. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.